This is a demonstration of adjusting the positions of existing reference points. If we load a script and we load a left foot, this scan has already been processed. We can, although this right-click menu isn't something end users should not use, we are able to close the insole using it to get a clearer image of what's going on. We have a ref points display. We would typically check the point information. This tells us the coordinates of all the reference points and some key dimensions. If we want to move one of these points, perhaps the arch point, we would go to Move Point. We then get a list of the available points. We double click on the one we wish to move, which will be the arch point here. We can then, using the middle mouse button, click a position and the point is moved to that new position. I'm not quite sure yet why the toolbar activates, and we'll fix that. And again, the program's quite sluggish because of the density of the mesh from the VPS scanner. And so that's how the ref points move. The auto mode is now the function you get on the toolbar. If you fail to assign the reference points, then you could add them this way. The add and delete points have been removed because the logic flow has changed when the reference points have been assigned on the toolbar. And we can load and save points to an external disk file so they can be recovered later.